What's up, dudes and dudettes? How's everyone doing today? Great. I'm glad you're all doing well. You're now watching David Jr. Castañeda. Welcome to my channel. So today is Thursday and it's my day off. No work. Thank God. I need to fucking rest. Anyways, so today I'm here at the mechanic Today I'm here at the mechanic shop because my truck. I came to check my truck because the check engine light turned on about 2 days ago. So I'm here to get the truck checked out. Sorry, I don't know what the fuck's going on right now. I'm having a brain fart right now or something. It's early. Yeah, I'm here at the mechanic shop getting the truck checked out. I want to see why the check engine light turned on, and whatever it is, I'm gonna try and get it fixed. If hopefully it's not too expensive because I'm on a budget. I don't have that much money, so they told me it's gonna cost me $165 just to check the problem, just to check why the freaking check engine light turned on. And he said if I get the work done here, then they will waive the $165. So, you know, whatever it is, if I can afford it, I'm gonna try to get it done today. I'm gonna try to get the truck fixed today. So yeah. See? So there it is. The check engine light turned on like 2 days ago, but since I was working, I didn't have time to come to the mechanic shop to get it checked out. So since today's my day off, I'm gonna try and get this problem. So since today's my day off, sorry, freaking loud car behind me. I'm gonna try to get this problem fixed today.
Throw your hands in the air if you's a true player. I love it when you call me Big Papa.
So now that I'm working again and I'm making money, I really wanted to start saving money because next year for 2024, I have a goal that I wanna reach. How do I explain it to you guys better? Okay, so let me try to explain it to you guys what I'm trying to say, because it sounds better in my head and it's not coming out correctly when I'm saying it. So yeah, so I'm starting to work again. I'm making money and I want to save money, but now I ran into a problem. My truck needs a lot of maintenance, like a lot of maintenance. I have a list of all the work I need to do on my truck. Like I need new tires, shocks, I need brakes, I don't know, a bunch of stuff that I need to do on my truck. And I'm imagining it's gonna cost me around $3,000 to get all the maintenance done on my truck and to get my truck back at 100%. So yeah, so as of right now, most of the money that I'm gonna be making from work, it's gonna go towards my truck and all the maintenance work. And so that means that my 2024 my 2024 YouTube vlogging road trip has been put on a hold, you know. So that fucking sucks. So yeah, so in 2024 I'm planning to once I save up money for this whole year, for the rest of the year, I'm gonna save money. I mean, once I do all the maintenance work on my truck, then I can start saving money again. But yeah, sorry man, I'm freaking brain fart right now. I don't know what the fuck's going on right now. So yeah, in 2024 I'm planning a a vlogging road trip to do videos for my YouTube channel. But as of right now, because of all the maintenance work I need to do on the truck, that plan is being shelved. That plan is being put away for now. Fucking sucks, man. But hopefully I can get all the maintenance work done on my truck quick, so my vlogging road trip adventure for YouTube can continue pretty soon. Fuck, man. Yeah, man, it's fucking hard. It's hard working, making money, man, but then you make all this money and something happens and the money goes quick. But yeah, hopefully next year, man, fingers crossed, 2024, I'll have enough money saved up to do my my vlogging road trip for my YouTube channel. Hopefully, man. Fucking truck, man. Oh, man. I need so much work on my truck. So much work, a little bit money. So right now I'm just waiting. I'm waiting. The mechanic shop opened at 8, and I got here about 7:50. I got here early because I wanted to beat the crowds. You know, I want to be the first car in line, so they wouldn't take forever, or they wouldn't take all fucking day fixing my truck. But yeah. So once they were open, they opened the garage doors, and there's already 2 cars from yesterday or something. So I'm basically like the 3rd car in line. But I'm here early. It's 8:34 right now. So hopefully it doesn't fucking take all fucking day, because I think I'm gonna be fucking waiting. I'm gonna be here waiting until they finish my truck. Sorry, you guys. I'm sorry if I'm talking too much. I just kind of trying to explain my situation right now to you guys. Yeah, so I'm planning to work at Walmart till like the end of December. Hopefully by then I'll have enough money saved up so I can do my fucking YouTube vlogging road trip. Hopefully I have enough money saved up by then. So this is the mechanic shop that I come to. This place has nothing but good fucking reviews on Google, like good reviews. So this is where I came, and I trust them with my truck. So finally my truck got pulled into the garage, and they're checking her out to see what the problem is. Look how small this restroom is. I'm like literally touching the freaking ceiling. Bro, I feel like a giant in this restroom. What the hell, dude? This restroom is so fucking tiny. Oh shit, dude. What the hell? Why is this restroom so fucking small in here? Oh fuck. Alright guys, so I left the mechanic shop and I'm home now. So I ended up freaking paying like $503 for this visit. Fuck. That's half my paycheck. So they had to change I have the thing right here. The thermostat. And then, so they changed my thermostat. Hold on. So then my antifreeze. So I guess I was using the wrong antifreeze. So they had to flush that out and put in new antifreeze into the truck. And then my radiator cap was also fucked up. So they changed that and they put a new one. And yep. So I ended up paying $503 today. And there's still a lot more maintenance that I need to do on my truck. So so I better fucking prepare myself to pay more money, man. Yep. So that was today's work, and there's gonna be more maintenance jobs on the way. Fuck, more money. Fuck. All right. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching this short video. It may not be entertaining, but I just wanted to share with you guys my current situation. All right, dudes and dudettes. I'll see you later. But don't forget, Mr. Bear loves you guys.